Hey everybody, Dafter Man here. Today we're going to take apart and scrap out a digital video recorder. If you can see the model number on that. And we're going to take it apart and see what's inside of it. And see what kind of gold recovery we get out. Let me move the camera and get it set up for you. Okay, I took most of the screws out of here so you wouldn't have to sit there and watch me take a bunch of screws out. It's got a basic chunk of metal. And next the screws. Save all the screws, they add up for metal, or you can sell them. And what we got left is, looks like some kind of a high-grade circuit board, or at least a peripheral board. More metal. Where? Yeah, just a board with a lot of chips, a lot of tantalum capacitors, some crystal oscillators, more tantalum capacitors, a lot of crystal oscillators. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a ton of other good stuff that could be sold. I usually just sell the whole board, like on eBay, like all these. They all add up. Sell them by the pound. Or you could depopulate it yourself. Take all this stuff off, separate it in bins. Do your IC chips, crystal oscillators, save them all up, you can sell them. And you got your metal. Our yard does $120 a ton per tin. And like I say, it all adds up. Here's one for $39 for tin for 740 pounds. And it doesn't really take that long to add up to 740 pounds, especially if you got some big chunks of steel in there. So, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And look forward to the next video. Okay, here's a little bit of a closer view of all the good stuff on it. Has all the crystal oscillators, a lot of tantalum capacitors, that's those yellow things. Save them up like this. You just pluck right off with a little screwdriver. Few wires, that always adds up quick. On the back side, it's got a lot more tantalum capacitors. On the back side, it has a lot more tantalum capacitors, more IC chips, still more crystal oscillators. Looks like a good peripheral board. I'd say it's fairly high quality. Should be no problem adding that to the bin to sell on eBay. Such as these up here. All these. All those. Save them up, they add up. sell them by the pound. Same thing with all your little tiny boards that you get. And that was what is inside a digital video recorder. Not a bad board for free scrap. Throw it in the box with the rest of the boards and let them add up. Probably gold pins in there. Alright. So inside the faceplate, I also found another small board. Plastic garbage. With a bunch of the switches that may contain silver. Another chip and more crystal oscillators, and I saved the LEDs also. They could have silver, sometimes gold in them. Some gold pins. Nice little bonus. Some more tantalum capacitors right there. If you can see them. Little yellow guys right there. And quite a few switches. Put that in a pile with this one. Not a bad score. Two boards. Nice boards. Some wiring. And let's see. Almost 2 pounds of steel. Thanks for watching.